First reading. The Lord gave, and the Lord has taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord. A reading from the book of Job, chapter 1, verses 6 to 22. One day the sons of God came to present themselves before the Lord, and Satan also came among them. The Lord said to Satan, "Whence have you come?" Satan answered the Lord, "From going and from on the earth, and from waking up and down on it." And the Lord said to Satan, "Have you considered my servant Job, that there is none like him on the earth, a blameless and upright man, who fears God and turns away from evil?" Then Satan answered the Lord, "Does Job fear God for naught? Hast thou not put a hedge about him and his house and all that he has on every side? Thou hast blessed the work of his hand, and his possessions have increased in the land. But put forth thy hand now, and touch all that he has, and he will be cursed thee to thy face." And the Lord said to Satan, "Behold, all that he has is in your power. Only upon himself do not put forth your hand." So Satan went forth from the presence of the Lord. Now there was a day when his sons and daughters were eating and drinking wine in their elder brother's house. And there came a messenger to Job and said, "The oxen were plowing, and the asses feeding beside them, and the Sabaeans fell upon them and looked them, and slew the servant with the edge of the sword, and I alone have escaped to tell you." While he was yet speaking, there came another and said, "The fire of God fell from heaven and burned up the sheep and the servants, and consumed them, and I alone have escaped to tell you." While he was yet speaking, there came another and said, "The Chaldeans formed 3 companies and made a raid upon the camels and took them, and slew the servant with the edge of the sword, and I alone have escaped to tell you." While he was yet speaking, there came another and said, "Your sons and daughters were eating and drinking wine in their elder brother's house, and behold, a great wind came across the wilderness and struck the 4 corners of the house, and it fell upon the young people, and they are dead, and I alone have escaped to tell you." Then Job arose and rent his robe and shaved his head and fell upon the ground and worshipped. And he said, "Naked I came from my mother's womb, and naked shall I return. The Lord gave, and the Lord has taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord. In all this Job did not sin or charge God with wrong." This is the word of the Lord. Thanks be to God. Let your response be, "Turn your ear to me, hear my words." Lord, hear a cause that is just. Pay heed to my cry. Turn your ear to my prayer. No deceit is on my lips. Let your response be, "Turn your ear to me, hear my words." From you may my judgment come forth. Your eyes discern the truth. You search my heart. You visit me by night. You test me, and you find in me no wrong. Let your response be, "Turn your ear to me, hear my words." I am here, and I call. You will hear me, O Lord. Turn your ear to me, hear my words. Display your great love, you whose right hand saves your friend from those who rebel against them. Let your response be, "Turn your ear to me, hear my words." Gospel. He who is the least among you all is the one who is great. A reading from the Holy Gospel according to St. Luke, chapter 9, verses 46 to 50. An argument arose among the disciples as to which of them was the greatest. But when Jesus perceived the thought of their hearts, he took a child and put him by his side, and said to them, "Whoever receives this child in my name receives me, and whoever receives me receives him who sent me. For he who is least among you all is one who is great." John answered, "Master, we saw a man casting out demons in your name, and we forbade him, because he does not follow with us." But Jesus said to him, "Do not forbid him, for he that is not against you is for you." The Gospel of the Lord. Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.